All right, so I am gonna set you up for the back squat today. Before we get started, I will tell you that we have two types of barbells here at the Y. This one in particular that I'm gonna use today is a 35-pound bar. You can tell by looking at the end cap. You can also see at our location that doesn't have center knurling. Our other bars are set up like this one, are 45-pound bars. Those are the standard bars, and they will have knurling in the center. That knurling is there to help with traction as you hold it on your back. This one is meant for Olympic lifting, so there's nothing here to drag against your body. Okay, so going into the back squat, you want to pretend, even on an empty bar, that it's the heaviest bar that you'll ever lift. You want to make sure that your hands are set where you need to hold it. You're going to come under the bar and nestle it right on the upper traps. Your feet should be right under the bar, elbows down, and pull that bar down, stand up. Take as few steps as possible. Make sure your feet are about hip width apart, eyes are forward or slightly up, never way up. So just above the horizon is okay. Squeeze your glutes, tummy tight, send the hips back, push those knees out. Exhale as you stand. Squeeze your tush. Once you come to the top, your body's coming to neutral at that point. That is the back squat.